Porn addiction can feel like a trap. You might want to stop, but no matter how hard you try, you find yourself going back. You're not alone in this. And the good news is that breaking free is absolutely possible. In this video, I'll show you how to quit porn for good. We'll talk about why it's hard to stop, why quitting is important, and practical steps to take control of your life again. Let's get started. Porn addiction isn't about weakness or lack of willpower. It's about how your brain works. When you watch porn, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel good. Over time, your brain starts craving more and more dopamine, creating a cycle that feels impossible to break. This addiction isn't just about watching porn. It's about how it affects your mental health, confidence, and even relationships. The first step to quitting is understanding the problem. Porn might seem harmless, but over time, it can hurt you in several ways. 1. Lower confidence. Watching porn often leads to guilt and shame, which can damage your self-esteem. 2. Mental health struggles. Porn addiction is linked to anxiety, depression, and brain fog. 3. Harm to relationships. Porn creates unrealistic expectations, making real connections more difficult. 4. Time wasted. Think about the hours spent watching porn. Imagine using that time to grow, learn, or pursue your goals. Quitting isn't just about stopping a habit. It's about improving your life in every area. Here's a simple plan to help you quit. 1. Admit the problem. Be honest with yourself about how porn affects your life. Write down why you want to quit. This will keep you motivated. 2. Identify triggers. Figure out when you're most tempted to watch porn. Is it when you're bored, stressed, or lonely? Once you know your triggers, you can avoid them. Third, block access. Use apps like Cold Turkey or BlockSite to make porn harder to access. Remove temptation as much as possible. 4. Replace the habit. When you feel the urge, replace it with something positive, like exercising, reading, or spending time with loved ones. 5. Build a support system. Talk to someone you trust, whether it's a friend, family member, or an online support group like NoFap. 6. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to track your streaks. Celebrate small wins. They'll keep you motivated. 7. Be patient. Breaking an addiction takes time. If you slip up, don't give up. Keep moving forward. Quitting porn is hard, but it's one of the most powerful decisions you can make. You'll feel more confident, focused, and connected to the people and goals that matter most. Remember, every step forward counts. Stay patient, stay determined, and know that you're stronger than you think.